Good morning everyone. This is Pavani. Today I would like to explain for 8th to 10th standard notice writing. Okay, discourses in that notice writing I am going to explain. In my previous class I have explained you message writing and today I would like to explain you notice writing. Okay, actually what is notice then? Notice is nothing but either in school or in college we get the notice for some occasions like what? If at all if any holiday information if the management want to give, they will send the circular to all the classes. If at all if it is a college also, they are going to send the circular to all the classes about the information. Either it may be like holidays information or else it may be like competitive exams or else like any event, okay, in the school sports meet is there, otherwise annual day celebrations are there in the school. Like that they make the they'll write the notice and they'll send to the classes so that all the children should know about the information which is going to happen in the school. Okay, so that is called what? Notice writing. Now features of a notice. To write the notice here, first we have to put in our mind three features. Okay, what are the three features? First one, it should be written in neat, clear and bold writing. Okay, it should be written in neat handwriting, very clear, and bold writing means, don't get confused here, bold writing means not the capital letters, but it should be understood to everyone what you are writing. Then it should be brief to the point. It should not be lengthy. It should be very shortcut. Okay, brief to the point. And the person reading the notice, third point is what? The person reading the notice should know exactly what you want and it should be in as few sentences as possible. The other person, okay, whether they are listening or whether they are reading the notice, they should understand that exactly what you're trying to tell them. Okay, and it should be in as few sentences as possible. And always remember, all the minor discourses must be inside the box. Okay, so now to write the notice, 7 side headings we have to remember. To make a notice we have to remember 7 side headings. See here I have given the points 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So under 1, name of the institution. If you are studying in any school, that particular school name must be written in capital letters, and notice as usual it should be in capital letters. And third one is what? Date. On what date you are writing the notice, that date must be written. Fourth one is heading. Either any competition, for example first term holidays, so you have to put the heading as first term holidays, otherwise second term holidays, otherwise any examination information like science exhibition is there, or else spell bee competition is there in your school, like that some heading. Okay, heading must be written here. Then content. Okay, content must be written like all the children are hereby informed that on so and so date you are going to have spell bee competition. So the children, those who are interested, need to pay the amount to their concerned class teachers. Okay, and this was said by the either principal or the in charge of that school. Okay, so now this is the matter. Content means matter. And sixth one is what? Signature or name. Either they can put their sign or else name. See, if at all if they are doing their signature in block letters, beside they have to write the name in capital letters. Otherwise name should be written in capital letters. For example, myself Pavani, I have written my name in capital letters, and above this I will put a sign like this. Okay, so if you are doing the just only signature, then under that your name must be, okay, above your name signature like this. Name should be in capital letters and you can sign like this. If at all if you are not signing, just you can put your name in capital letters. The next one, under the designation, for example I am the principal, okay, or else I am the in charge. If I am the principal, I will write under this principal. Okay, what is my designation? Principal, like that. So principal, what is the name? Pavani. About that, signature. Is it clear? In that way we need to write the notice writing. Okay, so now I will give you one example. Okay, so just see now. Now imagine you are the principal or else you are the in charge of your school. Okay, any school name, whatever the school you belong to, you can write that particular school name. Okay, so now I will write ABC public school. Okay, why? Because I'm not writing particular school name here, I'm going to write ABC public school. So first example you have to put E dot G dot. Okay, so imagine you're the principal, imagine you are the, imagine you are the principal, keep P capital. Imagine you are the principal of your school. Imagine you are the principal of your school. Write a notice. Write a notice. Write a notice on trip to Shimla. Write a notice on trip to Shimla. Okay, this is the question. Imagine you're the principal of your school. Write a notice on trip to Shimla. Okay, on A you can write on a trip to Shimla. Now first you have to draw the opening box. 3 sides box only you have to draw. After that, after completion of the notice, then you have to close the box. So now, as I am not going to write any particular school name, just I am going to write ABC Public School. Okay, ABC Public School. So which school you belong to, you can write particular school name. And then what I told you, next side heading is what? Notice. This is number 1, number 2. And what is the date I told you? Like what is the third point I said? Date. So as I gave the numbers, you no need to write the numbers. Just for your understand sake, I have given you in the format. Okay. Now today's date is what? 11th December 2020. Okay, this is the date. So now here you can start the message. Next one is what? Content. So all the children, or else you can use students, all the students, otherwise all the students, all the students are hereby informed, all the students are hereby informed that our school is planning to organize, our school is planning to organize a trip to Shimla. A trip to Shimla. Sorry, I didn't write a heading. Number 4th one is what here? Trip to Shimla. Okay, heading also must be written in capital letters. Trip to Shimla. Trip to Shimla. For classes 8th to 10th. For classes 8th to 10th. So interested students can give their names to their concerned class teachers. To their concerned class teachers. To their concerned class teachers. On or before 15th December 2020. The trip is on The trip is on 15th December 2020 So all are requested. All are requested so all are requested to maintain the all are requested to maintain the time by sharp 7 a.m. all must be here. And this is said by you write your name, okay? After this you need to close the box, okay? So have you all understood? Imagine you're the principal of your school. Write a notice on a trip to Shimla. Okay. You imagine you're the principal. Whomever you are, imagine that you are the principal of your school. You can write your particular school name and then notice. I'm not concerned. I'm not writing any other school name. Okay. Just I have written one school name. Okay. Whether it belongs to you or not, I don't know, but just I have written ABC Public School notice. Then first heading is what? Name of the school. It must be written either school or college. It must be written in capital letters. Next one is what? Notice. It should be written in capital. And then third point is what? Date. Fourth point is what? It should come little bit down. Okay, it should come little bit down. Heading or like what a title, we can put either heading or subject. Okay, then content. All the students are hereby informed that our school is planning to organize a trip to Shimla for classes 8th to 10th. So interested students can give their names to their concerned class teachers on or before 15th December 2020. So the trip is on 15th December 2020. All are requested to like what? Can give their names to the concerned class teacher on or before 15th December 2020. So the trip is on 15th December 2020. So all are requested to maintain the time by sharp 7 a.m. All must be in the school. Okay, like I did not mention the money. For example, you can write here where I have given so interested students can give their names to the concerned class teachers on or before. Okay. So here in the box I am going to give like the amount should be paid as place is not there. The amount little bit up only, I don't have place, so I am writing here. The amount should be paid is 2,500. The amount should be paid is 2,500 rupees. Okay. After that you can write like what? Your name and principal. Okay. Otherwise you can use this somewhere in the middle also. So notice writing. What is notice writing? Have you all understood now, everyone? This is what? Notice writing. Even the amount you can write in the middle. Like what? All the students are hereby informed that our school is planning to organize a trip to Shimla for classes 8th to 10th. So interested students can give their names to the concerned class teachers and the amount to be paid is 2,500 rupees on or before 2020. Here also you can write and the amount is 2,500 rupees on or before 15th December 2020. Here also you can add that. Okay. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone? Yes. So I hope everyone have understood. No need to get confused. This last point either you can add in the middle also. So interested students can give their names to their concerned class teachers. The amount is 2,500 on or before 15th December 2020 also you can write. So hope everyone have understood what is notice writing. once again you try to practice the given question twice so that you will get a clear understanding. So thank you everyone.